I don't know, I can't tell why they chose to attack a very peaceful rally. You can see we are not even in the trading center. We are outside the trading center. We had our entertainment, we had a good campaign, a good rally. And they just shot at us. Just within open fire. Without any warning, without any hesitation. And they were commanded by Lieutenant Ziwa. Lieutenant Ziwa is the one who came commanding that contingent that attacked us with an aim of killing. But when they saw somebody else had died, they put
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.